stopping by. My name's David Tiemann with APT, Atlantech Process Technology, where we design and build custom machinery and abrasives for your process so that you can have dirty metal in, clean metal out, that you can sell to your customers for premium prices. What we do here with these tools, for instance, these are non-woven abrasive brushes that we build here in Germany. Here later on in another video, kind of going to start going over what non-woven abrasives are and how they can clean, finish, deburr, polish, descale your different metals. And so process machinery we build and the brushes are good for metal strip, metal plate, along with like the aerospace and automotive industries for getting very precise and precision capabilities. So if you could, when you get a chance, give us a call, send us an email so we can take a look at your application and see how we might be able to offer some consultation to better and optimize your current process. Thank you again for stopping by. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care. Be safe.